DANSIC is simple for Danish Social Innovation Club, and we work to promote social innovation, mostly in Denmark. It comes from a belief that the society as we have it today is probably not sustainable in the long run, so we need to be more creative and innovative how we think and act in society. So our main objective is to create events, mainly a big conference where we invite 300 students who we choose from their motivated applications. So we have really engaged and active students who want to participate in this development. The first year of working towards the conference, everything was via email and telephone calls, which was just a mayhem of emails and who was, CC'd on the emails and who wasn't, and it was just, and a lot of documents flying all over the place with the Google Docs, who had access, who didn't have access. A lot of documents disappeared and a lot of information disappeared. And also just the communication channels. It's just hard when you have to do everything via emails. And we don't have an office, and we're from different schools and we have different exams, and so we just needed a place to sort of meet up.
In that regard, Podio is just very useful for keeping contact with each other, know where the others are at and how far along they are with the program and the different tracks that we have. And what we do in Podio is that we have an app for all the external contacts, and we put them in, and so we know that if we're contacting the same people, then at least we know about it. So we're all updated, and then again we can also see how far along we are with confirming potential speakers, presenters, or members of the panel debate.
A new thing this year is using Podio web form for our applicants, which is a lot easier compared to last year, where we had about 600-700 emails to sort them, to see where they came from, and especially because we have an agreement with some of our sponsors that they get information from our applicants. So to export it to Excel to give them the data is very helpful. Furthermore, like when we're selecting who's going to attend the conference, it's nice to be able to filter like where they're coming from, what they're doing, because we want to have great diversity at our conference.
As DANSIC is a student organization, we change the organization every year because you have to be a student, and we graduate and then new ones come in and take our places. So I think one of the most useful part of Podio is that we can actually hand our work, pass it on to the next person and the next team. So it's a nice way to get that bonding and the feeling of being colleagues, actually.